Brady, talk to us, big dog. Talk to us, Brady. Yes, baby.
Hold me. My back really hurts.
Oh, baby girl.
Oh.
Yeah, Robin accidentally sent me.
Look at my boy.
Oh, it's okay.
How long was he?
They'll do that.
They don't do that here.
It's okay.
Hey, big
So I'm
dog.
not calling my mother back till I have all the vitals.
Yeah.
Because
She's gonna want to
she'll
know.
just be like,
What?
What? That's so ridiculous. And I'm like, Mom, I've got to go. Well, in the 50s,
Oh,
Mom, I've gotta go.
Brady. You're a good boy. I can tell already.
Precious. He's gonna be a very active little thing.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be fun. You can play a lot of sports.
Is that better?
I'm excited to be able to kind of pick up my leg.
Oh, your right leg is moving.
All right, baby.
She couldn't even move it. She was like,
Woo.
someone come move my leg.
I couldn't just move it even like an inch.